to our young people of our nation. Tomorrow morning, you have the powers to choose what you will do from among two important things. One is that you may choose to stay at home, go about your business. The consequence of it will be that you will live to actualize or realize your dreams. Maybe get a good job in the future so that you can be able to assist your parents. The second choice that you can choose from is to decide to attempt to occupy JKIA or any other restricted places as communicated by the police. The consequence of the latter is that at least I can guarantee you by end of day, you will occupy one of the government buildings. You can occupy police cells, you can find yourself in a hospital, or you find yourself lying in a mortuary. Or maybe in one instance, you can be in the police cells, later on the hospital, and later on the mortuary. The choice belongs to you. There is nothing that I can do to influence your decision. The power is in your hand. You decide where you want to be at the end of the day tomorrow evening. As your de facto leader, I have done my part. I have a civic duty as a young leader of our country, as a de facto leader of the Gen Z and millennials, to advise my members accordingly. So even before you sleep, have a moment and listen to this message. Thank you. God bless you.